Billionaires often do not hold all their wealth in one place, and they of course do not rely on traditional bank and savings accounts. Many people wonder where billionaires keep their money. Welcome to Planet Lux, and in this video we'll find out where billionaires lock up their money. When it comes to investing money today, there are numerous possibilities. There are numerous ways to make more money, whether you want to invest in the stock market, real estate, or even cryptocurrency. However, the easiest method to make a lot of money is to begin with little or no money. This is exactly what people who are seen as wealthy do. They find ways to earn income despite the fact that they do not have a lot of money to begin with. Buying stocks is one example of this method. When you invest in dividend-paying companies, you can possibly create revenue without spending anything else. If you are searching for something new and exciting to explore, here are some other amazing ways to generate revenue. Where do rich people keep their money? Rich people invest in stock market, real estate, and cryptocurrency. When wealthy people invest in stocks, they are essentially investing in businesses. The corporation pays them a dividend, which is a percentage of their profits. Another alternative is to buy property. A wealthy person who buys a house and rents it out will profit from the rental payments. If a wealthy individual invests in Bitcoin, they will be able to profit from the cryptocurrency's rising value. Cryptocurrency is gaining popularity year after year and is nearly as stable as the stock market. Rich folks conduct their own market research and make their own decisions. They don't just buy whatever comes along. They only buy what they know will increase their profits. Rich people also have a plethora of different revenue streams, via which they produce capital. This is why they're wealthy. How do rich people generate income? Rich people earn money in a variety of ways. Others run enterprises, while others invest in stocks and real estate. There are numerous ways to make money, but those that are deemed wealthy do it by utilizing their creativity and brains to devise new methods of creating cash. This is the type of self-motivation required to get wealthy in the first place. How do I become rich? You might begin by considering all of your income-generating opportunities. If you seek hard enough, you can find plenty of methods to generate money, whether you want to start your own business or invest in real estate. However, if you want a definite way to gain money right now, investing in stocks is a terrific alternative. What are the best ways for generating income? There are hundreds of ways to make money, but the best ones are those that you can accomplish while sitting at home. If you want to produce cash without having to leave your house, you should try to find a means to make money online. If you dig hard enough, you may also find a plethora of ways to make money online. What are the best ways to generate income for those who have little capital? It can be challenging for persons with limited capital to generate revenue. You are not going to make a lot of money if you start from scratch. But that doesn't imply you can't make any money at all. If you don't have a lot of money to begin with, there are various options for earning revenue. Investing in the stock market is one of the most popular ways to earn money without investing a lot of money. In fact, there are some companies that pay dividends to their shareholders while having no other legitimate economic interests. If a corporation pays dividends, investors can possibly earn more money if they hold on to their shares. This is also a terrific approach for folks who are just getting started in the stock market to learn about it. Investing in real estate is another technique to generate income without investing a lot of money. You can buy a piece of real estate and rent it out to tenants. This is a more passive way of producing money than working as a landlord, but it still takes time and effort to do it well. It's also more valuable than investing in stocks because you own the land entirely, giving you greater control over your investment than simply investing in stocks. There are numerous ways to generate revenue without spending a lot of money. Why not give one of these possibilities a go if you're searching for something new and intriguing to try? You may discover that you enjoy it more than working at a job, and you will be able to earn more money without having to deal with a boss. Why the rich don't invest in cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, and you should perform considerable research before making any decisions about whether or not to invest in it. You'll also have to devote a large amount of time to studying how to use it, how it operates, and how to obtain it. The value of cryptocurrency varies substantially on a daily basis. On one day, it might be worth a certain amount, and on another, it might be worth half or more of what you paid for it. Therefore, you should only invest in Bitcoin with funds that you are not concerned about losing. Why do the rich invest in stocks? Stocks have been around for a long time, and there are numerous reasons why the wealthy invest in them. They are aware of the numerous advantages of investing in stocks, and they have extensive investing experience. For years, the wealthy have been attempting to make money, and they have learned what works and what does not. One of the things that works for them is stock investing. Here are some of the most important reasons why the wealthy invest in stocks. Dividends are one of the primary reasons why the wealthy invest in stocks. Dividends are payments made by firms to shareholders who own a specific number of shares or a certain proportion of the company's stock. Dividends on stock investments might be paid at any point during the year. Dividends are paid out by stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Dividends can be paid in cash or in stock of the corporation. Dividends are popular among the wealthy since they are a terrific way to make money without having to work for it. Dividends are also popular among the wealthy since they are an excellent method to diversify their portfolio. Diversification is yet another important reason why the wealthy invest in equities. Investing in stocks can help you diversify your portfolio while also protecting you from losses on other investments you've made. Diversification will also help to lower your portfolio's risk and provide you more control over your investments. Diversifying your investments can also help you save money on taxes and avoid capital gains. Investing in stocks can be risky, so if you're not willing to take chances, you should avoid it. However, investing in stocks can be profitable because it always allows you to earn more money. Stock investing is much more liquid than other investments such as real estate or gold. Stocks are easier to sell and turn into cash than other types of investments. Capital gains are one of the primary reasons why the wealthy invest in equities. Capital gains are earnings earned by investors when they sell their assets at a higher price. Because capital gains are not considered income and are not taxed by the government, the wealthy choose to invest in stocks. Another benefit of stock investing is that corporations might pay you dividends if you hold their stock. Dividends are payments made by corporations to their shareholders in order to distribute a portion of their profits. Dividends can help you enhance your wealth and save your retirement. While there are numerous reasons why the wealthy buy in stocks, it is important to remember that investing in stocks is dangerous and may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any questions about investing in stocks, you should consult an investment professional or someone with stock market experience. Final thoughts on where do rich people keep their money? Since the dawn of time, wealth has been a component of the human experience. Indeed, many people wish they had a bit more money to work with. So, where do the wealthy keep their money? And why is it critical for them to search out a strong investment strategy? The wealthy keep their wealth in a variety of ways. Others invest in businesses or real estate, while others use stocks and bonds. Another alternative is to invest the money in tangible goods such as jewelry, gold, or collectibles. The idea is to have your money work for you rather than against you. It's simple to make your money endure with wise investments and cautious preparation. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.